how to create a temporary email to send and receive the emails. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see a quick technique with which you can create unlimited temporary emails to send and receive some messages for a particular period of time. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just go to your favorite browser and go to Google and right here temp email or temp mail, and this will take you to this website in the recommendation. So just click on temp-mail.org. Just click here and it will create an immediate email for you. How cool is that? Now this is very useful if you want to use any particular website for a particular period of time and you don't want to enter your main email. So in that case, you must sign up with a specific email, right? So in that case, you can just use this temporary email. You can send and receive the messages here as well. So basically it can prevent you from all the anonymous robot attacks or hacking or advertising emails and security issues. So it can resolve all of that because this is just a temporary email that you are not using as a main email ID. So basically it's just like a disposable email that you can use anywhere. So that's how you do it. I hope you liked the video, guys, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks here on this channel, and I will see you in the next one.